Okay, so installment loans amount financed. The first, when we went to 8.1, it was principal times interest times times. So exact and ordinary interest, the only thing difference in days. So installment loan, this is like a car loan. So it's not a day situation, it's a year's situation, okay, typically. Down payment, that's the amount that you're putting down to finance it, and typically financing institutions require a certain amount down, and the reason why they do this is in the event they have to take it back. So let's say a car, you know, you're buying a $25,000 car and they want $5,000 down. Even though a car is a depreciating asset, they can still take it, try to recoup as much as they can to lower their loss. Amount financed, after we take the down payment, subtract it from the amount that you're buying something for, that covers our amount financed, okay? Okay, example one, go ahead.
Trudy is buying a gym equipment for $1,399. She makes a $199 down payment and finance the remainder.
Okay, so, and then it's asking the amount financed, right?
Yep.
So we have two formulas. The cash price, the amount you're buying something, minus that down payment gives you the amount financed. Now I'm going to tell you something. All these questions are going to be incorporated in every section moving forward, okay? We're going to be calculating interest in different ways, whether it's daily compounded or whatnot. So knowing this information, you know, you have to take the down payment to get to the amount financed, because that amount financed is going to go in every formula moving forward. So we'll get to the percentage amount next, but that's the cash price times the percent down will give you your down payment, and then you want to subtract the down payment from the cash price to get the amount financed. So in the example, $1,399.99, subtract the down payment. This is how much they're financing. Well, what does financing mean? Borrowing. You're borrowing that, okay? So whoever is giving you the financing is lending this money to you, okay? Usually this amount goes to the whoever you're buying from, and then the finance company typically is a different company all in itself, and then they're paying that. Okay, next one. Oh, I already kind of have it up here. Okay, so you purchased the newest iPhone for $1,140. You have a down payment of 20%. What's the amount financed? So you're going to take the purchase price, so you're going to multiply it by 20%. We've done this a million times, right? So we're going to move the decimal place twice and then multiply it out. So 1140 times 0.20 equals $228. So we're going to take the $228 and we're going to subtract it from the 1,140, and this is the amount that they're borrowing, okay? Now remember what we did in 8.1, we were taking this amount and figuring out what interest is. So slowly it's going to build. Okay, so whiteboards. We're going to work this one out, we're going to work this one out, which are just like the example. So this one's like example 1 and this is like example 2. But before we